Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and electric dryer set, and I've got it filling up right now. Pretty heavy load, jeans and towels. Gonna just do an express wash on it. Already gone through a 28-point inspection, made sure everything electrical, mechanical, it all works. So we're gonna go ahead and do this little test, just so that you can see as if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that it does fill up with water, agitates correctly, drains that water out, and then you got a nice smooth spin cycle as it finishes up. Then we're going to move those clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works and heats. It sounds great. So we'll let this go ahead and finish filling up and move on to the agitation. Okay, and it is filled up and it's got a nice strong agitation. Let you listen to that. Of course, you know the safety switch, the lid switch works because lift it up, shuts it down. On the agitator, you just want to make sure it spins freely one direction and not back the other direction. That's how you know this is working properly. And of course, you can hear it running. So we'll allow it to move on to that drain and spin cycle. Alright, just moved out of the wash cycle, starting into the rinse cycle, and you can hear draining that water out. I'm not going to open the lid and interrupt that neutral drain cycle, because next it switches over into a spin. But like I said, you can hear it draining out. After it goes through the rinse cycle, we'll come back for the final spin. Alright, and we're back on the final spin. It's up full speed. I'll go ahead and lift the lid up. You can see it spinning nice and fast. Once you get a listen here, you can see it's nice, smooth, perfect operation. We're going to lift it up. Lid switch kicks in and shuts it down. Alright, we'll let that finish up. We'll move over to the dryer. Alright guys, got those clothes moved over to the dryer. Close that up, hit it on time dry. We'll go high heat and hit go. As you can hear, it sounds great. It's a nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So you hear my kid in the background. Right in between those two red dots, that's where it's going to take its measurement on the temperature there. See kind of a difference. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Get the heat right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that guy there. Now the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have this heat setting on right here. How long you let it dry, all that good stuff. So, because there is a delicate setting too for those items you don't want to get too hot. And of course, super capacity plus on the dryer. That's going to be it for these guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.